The captain has requested that you remain seated or hold onto a handrail throughout this journey. Only disembark when you hear the all ashore or two bells. Top deck passengers,
Hello
please
Port
exit to the left
USA,
or
thank you so
right.
much for
Thank you
watching.
and enjoy the ride.
Sisi Sami, thank you so much. Booking with Rahila, sister, thank you. This is Lake Havasu, Arizona. Parang Lake Tahoe, pero Lake Havasu. Part of Lake Havasu is on Arizona side, and part of Lake Havasu is on California side. So we went to Landing Casino. It's in Arizona. It's in California side. So ngayon pabalik na kami sa aming hotel na nasa Arizona side, kasi yung casino nasa California side. So natalo ako sa casino. I lost. Pasensya na guys, maingay. Nasa likod tayo ng ship, nasa likod tayo ng ng boat. Hello, Kit Bradley. Mega love shout out. Lit. Napin ko na sisi. Puntahan nyo guys, nakapin. Quick live lang ito guys. I will be ending soon also. Medyo mahina ang signal dito kasi mas malakas ang signal pag nasa California side. Pag nasa Arizona side, medyo mahina ang signal, kaya paputol-putol yung live natin. I'm going to just cut off the live after we get to the shore, after we get to the other side, which is nandito na nga tayo. 20 minutes lang itong ride. It's only 20 minutes ride. Malapit lang, and the water is very calma. Oh, tingnan nyo guys, oh, it's so beautiful here. See, kahit na disyerto yung paligid niya, pero itong the water is so beautiful and it's so calm. So the water is from the Colorado River na nag-form siya into lake. So kaya nga meron tayong lake